everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jason, and as you saw from my intro, this is my unboxing channel. I have already uploaded one video today, so look out for that. That was Lip Monthly. This video I am excited about. This is going to be my first subscription for this particular company, and this company is called Look Fantastic. This is a UK company, and I believe it's $19. I'm not positive off the top of my head how many items come in each box or what the total value of each box is supposed to be. I will do a little more research on that and hopefully put it in the description box below. But again, this did come from the UK. So this is my October box, which I was surprised with how quickly it got here because I didn't order this box until towards the end of October. So I've had other US boxes that took way longer to get here. So anyway, let's, without any further chit chat about that, let's get right into the box. It did come in a brown mailing box, but when you open it up, this is the box inside. Okay, it's a nice box, and this would be a good box to, like, you know, keep to store things in, or even if you want to like send things out again. It's a nice sturdy box. So you just take the top off. All right, and let's take a peek inside and see what we get. The inside says, "Relax, dream, enjoy. Hashtag life beauty," or hashtag Look Fantastic Beauty Box, LF Beauty Box. All right, and it looks like this. So let's look and see what this little pamphlet is all about. Look Fantastic Beauty Box. And this does say, let's see, 1012 on the bottom. I don't know exactly what that is referring to, but you've got some articles in here. Balance me. Let's see if it actually lists the, what's in the box. Okay. So it's going to give you a description of everything that's in the box, how to use it. Does it give a retail value? It gives retail values, but the retail values are in pounds. So I can give you what the pounds are and you can figure that out, or yeah. So it gives the values in pounds. I can try, if it's easy enough for me to look those conversions up, then I will do that, and I will put those either up in the video or down in the description below. But anyway, let's go ahead and get right into the items in the box. And when you take that pamphlet out, it's wrapped up nicely like this with a little sticker on it. And, oops, well, don't need to keep the paper. I like the color, that's nice. First thing you get in here is Glove and Relax. This is a soft hair wrap. Super absorbent hair towel, shorter drying time. Okay, so it looks like it's probably one of those towel turbans, obviously meant for people with longer hair. My hair is getting long, so I'll give it a try, see how well it works, but it doesn't take my hair that long to dry, so. Ooh, it's super soft though. Yep, I'm not gonna unravel it because it's folded nicely. But anyway, that is the first item. It is super soft. I really do like that. That's gonna feel nice. So, first item is Glove and Relax. And again, the retail value in pounds is £14.99. So, like I said, I'll try to do the conversion and put it in the video, but if you don't see it, it's because I wasn't able to figure out the conversion. So, next item in here is Earl Grey bath tea, bubble tea. So it feels like, you know, like Epsom salts. You're gonna drop, let's see, drop under warm running water, step in and brew for as long as required. Store out of direct sun, okay. Earl Grey bath tea. I'm not necessarily a person that takes baths, so I don't know if this is gonna get use from me. Maybe it'll go into a future giveaway, but I mean, it's not a bad product. My bathtub, it doesn't allow me to do things like this. So there's that. That retails in pounds for, let's see here. That's not on this first page, that is here. Bubble tea retails for £5.99. £5.99. So let's see here. Let's look at the next item. And it looks like there's Starskin Eye Catcher, Soothing Biocellulose Eye Masks. It looks like there's probably 2 in here, and it's just the little eye masks that go under your eye. I have gotten Starskin before. I can't remember if I've got a Starskin sheet matte face mask, but I can't remember if I used that one yet or not. But anyway, there is that one. That retails for £4.25. £4.25. So it looks like you could have gotten a variation with that one. It was what I got, the Starskin Eye, and there's also another eye therapy. So I don't know, unless that was supposed to be in here and I don't see it, but yeah. Oh, it says or, okay. So Starskin or Beauty Pro eye therapy under eye mask. So they're both retail for the same amount, but those are the 2 products. And let's see what else we got in here. Here is Balance Me. I'm not gonna say this word right. Bakuchiol. It's oh my goodness, Bakuchiol. I have no idea what that means. The word is kind of difficult to say, funny to say, for many reasons. Anyway, Bakuchiol Smoothing Serum. Sorry. Let's see what it says about that in here. Now, Balance Me. This retails for £11. It's 100% natural, plant-based retinol alternative, providing all the anti-aging benefits without the irritation and sensitivity. It says, massage 1 pump over cleansed skin, AM or PM, follow with SPF in the morning. So looks like it's a sample size of like just a moisturizer overall. So there is that. That's a small sample size, but anyway. Next item is by Terry. What is this? Well, I can look it up here. By Terry. Here it is. And I'm guessing it might be some kind of lip product, but I don't know. Let's find out. By Terry, Baume de Rose. I don't speak French, so I'm not even gonna try. It's retails for £14. This travel-friendly version of By Terry's signature lip balm. Okay, so it is a lip balm. Combines luxury and protection. Infused with shea butter, rose flower wax, and vitamin E, it glides onto the lips effortlessly whilst providing a subtle shine, perfect for on-the-go nourishment. So, let's see. You can smell the rose. Yes, it's definitely got rose in there. So, okay, well, I'll give that a try and see what I think of that. And was that the last? Nope, there's one more item in here. So this next item is, I'm actually really excited about this item. I did happen to see another sneak peek of this box online before I got it, so I knew that this might be in there, and I was excited about that. This is the overnight foot cream. I am diabetic, and my feet are super, super dry. So I'm hoping that this is gonna help me out. This is Eco King Overnight Foot Cream, 30 milliliters, worth, it retails for £8.10. Working its magic whilst you sleep, the Eco King Foot Cream removes dead skin and moisturizes all at once with a refreshing eucalyptus scent and menthol to soothe and cool the skin, vegan and dermatologically tested. It says massage the cream gently onto your feet before you go to sleep. For maximum effectiveness, apply and cover with socks. So let's go ahead and give this a quick smell and see how mentholy it's. Yeah, it smells good. It's interesting texture. I don't know how well you can see this in the video, but it seems more like a whipped mousse. So that'll be interesting. But yeah, I can definitely smell the eucalyptus in there, but it goes on your feet. So, you know, if you are sensitive to eucalyptus, I would assume it's not going to bother you too much. But again, it's a small size, so I'm probably going to end up going through this really quickly. But if it works well, then I'm going to be looking for a full size of this and give this a try. So, all right, well, that does it for my first Look Fantastic box. Again, this is $19 a month, and it ships from the UK. And I did get it fairly quickly. They've already charged me for my November box, so I'm excited to see what I get in that. But that'll do it for me today. It's the beginning of the month, so it's going to be a whole month of filming videos of all the subscription boxes that I'm getting. So that's going to be exciting. I hope everybody is staying happy, healthy, and it's getting to that time. So I just want to encourage everybody to make sure you go out, if you haven't already, and vote. Vote, vote, vote. It's our right. It's so important. Vote. So I'm not going to preach about that, but I did want to at least mention it. So I will see everybody in my next unboxing video, and take care. Bye-bye.